On the main page you can see your connected exchanges, your balance of these exchanges and profit for the last 5 minutes, hour, day, week and months. In this place you can see the earnings from your referrals. Here you can see the latest deals, opening and closing times, as well as earnings from each deal. Below there are deals of chain algorithm and some information about activity in your account. If you go to My Exchanges tab, you can see here information about your active and inactive exchanges, chosen algorithm and date of connection. If you want, you also can change the settings of each of your exchanges to get the maximum profit. There are a lot of settings to customize. You can see that I work with the service for about 2 weeks and I have several active exchanges now. Okay, let's see our trading history now. Here you can see all of your deals. Also you can set up filters to see more information. Let's go to Coin Portfolio tab. First of all we need to select exchange. Here we can instantly exchange any coins with a single click, without visiting different crypto exchanges and do it manually one by one. Also here you can check usage of your coins and their amounts. In the blacklist tab you can manually select coins that will not be used in the system algorithm. This is really useful for users who want to keep part of their deposit unchanged. And now I want to share with you my own results. For a short time working with the service I earned $130 in Bitcoin, and I'm not counting earnings when the price of cryptocurrency increased. Here you can see that I started to work with Apitrade from 12th April, but here are 2 exchanges from 1st April. These exchanges were successfully tested, but my settings wasn't good. That's why I started from the beginning. All the time it was a completely passive profit. I didn't do anything, it was enough just to run algorithm and sometimes check the balance to enjoy the results. The average percentage of earnings is 1% per day. If you count the average profit for the day, it turns out that you get 30% for the month. Here you can see your balance on Apitrade. This balance is deducted 50% of the earnings of each successful transaction on the exchange. Also you can get test balance for free if you sign up with my referral link. You will receive $16 which will allow you to earn $32 with a deposit on your exchange. I also give help to my referrals with setup and lifetime support in the service via Telegram. This is an update. After 3 days I decided to combine my exchanges and algorithm. After that I noticed a great increase of performance. Some of you may ask, what happens when the market goes down? The answer is simple. One of the algorithms works well in the growing market, while the other brings the best results in a falling market. So you will always get a profit, no matter how the market moves. That's all. You can find my referral link in the description. You're welcome.